stud finder. So you will see it later when my husband try to look for the stud in the wall, because if you have a wall you cannot really like see which one is stronger or not, and then you need a level, you need a drill. Okay, and this is we have like different kinds of level, the bigger one, the magnetic one. So why we need it? Because we wanted our TV to be like balanced, okay, and at the center. And this is the back of the TV. He already hooked the mount for the TV. Is just easy, you just hook it at the back, and the hard thing to do is to put the TV in the wall and find which one is stronger.
It's 150
centimeter.
centimeter.
So half of it is what? 75. Okay, mark your 75. And then the second one, you have to know the height, you know, your TV, you know, since we have a toddler, we wanted to make sure like our 2-year-old child cannot reach the TV.
70. So 35.
Like that, you know.
So this is just an estimate. What I did is I prepared that this is it's a good view for us. This is 35.
So it means it has a bought this circon stud finder.
So now after we locate the
stud,
so we already pre-made a hole before this, so that we are going to drill on the side.
okay, he is now going to use the drill. So my husband decided to use a different what you call that, screw.
Nut driver.
So he chose the nut driver because it's quite
Now instead of using
regular screw.
Screw driver, I'll just use a nut driver. So this is, I'm going to screw this one, and let's see how it works, if this one is stronger. Oh yeah, it works.
So hook the TV on the wall, and then we just need to put it like flat. Okay, you got it, Daddy? Tama? Ayan na. And then we have to pull this string down. Ready? You hook it? Okay. You can hook like that and adjust like this. You got it?
Subscribe.